What's going on, guys? Just got a new backpack for my photography business, so want to make a little reveal video. All right, so it's a K&F Concept backpack. It's a hard shell. It's about $55 on Amazon. Oh yeah, it's got the new car smell. This one was the more expensive one. They have the $30 one that isn't hard, and then 50, 52, something like that. That is. So I figured I'm clumsy, I might as well get the hard shell one. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing is badass. Cool. All right, let's check it out. So here's the backpack. This is hard right here. It's got a 1-year warranty. Hopefully I don't need that on a backpack. This is a cover for the backpack, actually. It comes with one. Open it right here. It's got all these dividers. Everything is Velcro, and it sticks to all parts of the backpack. It's not just like Velcro spots, like everything sticks. So I can remove, I can add, I can do whatever I need to do here. They have straps to hold everything in. There's spots right here to put all your extra accessories. Tripod or water, I guess, on both sides. You can stick tripod on one side, water on another side. Obviously, this is all adjustable. There's a spot in the back to open right here. And then you got your laptop spot in the back right here also. So here you could put a laptop. I think it said like 15 inches. From first view, I love the backpack. It feels really solid. It's not like one of these, definitely the most solid backpack I have. It almost reminds me of like something you'd bring to the airport. Ooh, so fresh, dude. Look at that. So fresh. K&F Concept, I'm legit. All right, well that's it. Let's see what this looks like actually. I guess this is a waterproof thing for if it starts raining. That's cool. It goes on it somehow like this, but anyways, thinking maybe it goes the other way. I'll figure it out if I ever need to use it. But yeah, happy with the backpack. About to transfer all my stuff in here. Go get you one.